How to make Skin Whitening Day and Night Summer Cream at home. In summer, it is not easy to maintain the color of your skin. The burning rays of the sun cause darkening of your skin, and thus, you get a dry and dark skin. What to use in summer to lighten and brighten your skin? For this, here, I have a remedy. In this video, I am going to share with you a simple recipe to make Skin Whitening Day and Night Summer Cream at home with the use of some natural ingredients. Make and use this cream to have flawless skin in summer. Permanent skin whitening with sandalwood powder. To make a skin whitening cream at home to whiten and brighten your skin, the ingredients you need for this remedy are: ingredients: sandal powder, coconut powder, almond powder, rice flour, aloe vera gel, rose water, lemon oil, milk. Procedure: 1. Take sandal tree bark, and grind it to make its powder. Strain and get a fine sandal powder. 2. Keep some almonds in water, and then heat up the water a little. Peel off the almonds, and then grind them to make a fine powder. 3. Take lemon peels, and then grate them. Using double boiler method, take 2 TBSP of olive oil, coconut oil, almond oil. Next, add grated lemon peels in olive oil, and let the peels melt and mix well. Heat it up for 7 minutes, and then leave it for 30-60 minutes. Now, you will get a mix of olive oil and lemon oil. 4. Take a grinder, and in it, add 1 TBSP of sandal powder, 1 TBSP of almond powder, 1 TBSP of coconut powder, half TBSP of aloe vera gel, half TBSP of rice flour, and 2 TBSP of a mix of lemon and olive oil. Next, add 1 TBSP of rose water. 5. Grind all the ingredients and in it, add 1 TBSP of aloe vera gel and 1 TBSP of rose water, and blend again to make a creamy mixture. Also, add 2 to 3 TBSP of milk in it. 6. Now, the best Skin Whitening Day and Night Summer Cream is ready for use. How to use: at night, apply the cream, and then leave it overnight. Wash it off in the morning, and for the best results, use it regularly. This simple Skin Whitening Day and Night Summer Cream is very effective, and it is safe. So, make and use this cream to have fair, bright and glowing skin in summer.